All right, guys, this week we are driving the 2022 Infiniti QX55. Now, as the title explains, this is a quick look video. This is not a review. This is just a look at what I'm driving for the week and to see if you guys have any input or questions for the full review. You can leave those in the comments of this video and we will address those during the full review. So if you're watching this within the first week of it coming out, please leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see in the full review. Let me know if you got any questions and we'll try to answer those in the full video. With that, let's dive into what we're driving. All right, guys, so obviously outside of the car is a really good look. I've liked Infiniti designs for a while now, and the QX55 is no different. If you remember back, or if you've been watching me long enough or whatever, you might remember that we did a quick look and a first review of the QX55 when it first launched. We got it for about 24 hours to film as much as we could with it and do a quick review on it. So we do have that out, but this one we're going to spend a lot more time with. We're going to spend a full week with it and really see what we think. And I can already tell you my biggest gripe with the first one that I drove was the CVT transmission. This one, having the intelligent all-wheel drive, still has that CVT transmission. I'm pretty sure we'll work through that as we go through the week. But let's go ahead and talk about what we do have here. So it is the 2022 Infiniti QX55 Essential All-Wheel Drive, 2-liter variable compression turbocharged engine. Really great engine in this thing. 268 horsepower, 280 foot-pounds of torque. Intelligent all-wheel drive, all-season run-flat tires, 20-inch dark painted, machine-finished aluminum alloy wheels. The only package that we have on this is the Pro Assist package, which gives us the Cube Design LED headlights, adaptive front lighting system, intelligent cruise control, distance control assist, blind spots intervention, lane departure prevention. That's an $800 option. So the base MSRP for the Essential is $51,600. Our total MSRP with a $1,025 destination charge is $53,425. So again, as far as I know, this is a good vehicle. Looking forward to spending the full week with it. Looking forward to hearing you guys' questions. Like I said, leave those down below and we'll get to those in the full review. But for now, let's take it for a bit of a drive and we'll wrap up the video after that. All right, guys, well, I guess that about does it for this quick look video. I hope you did enjoy. Please hit that thumbs up button if you did. Again, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to know more about this thing. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, plus a lot of other stuff. And subscribe to the full review channel for notifications on when the full review drops. Until then, thanks for watching.